Today we will discuss the next part of this chapter, arithmetic progression. Now, if you consider the part which we have covered till now, in that part only two concepts were important. That was nothing but the nth term in a given progression, finding out nth term in a given progression, arithmetic progression, and formula for finding out nth term in given arithmetic progression was Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Tn means nth term is equal to a, that is first term, n minus 1, n is the total number of terms, n minus 1 into d, d is the common difference. Okay, so a was the first term, a was my what? It was my first term, and d was my common difference. This d was my common difference and a was first term, no problem. And the last part which we had discussed in this chapter was sum of first n terms. Sn is equal to n by 2 into the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is equal to n by 2 into the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, fine, no problem. Now see friends, can I write this Sn is equal to n by 2 into the bracket a plus n minus 1 into d in this form? This 2a I have split it into two that means two parts. This 2a is divided into two parts, a and a. So a plus a, it will become 2a. So a plus already n minus 1 into d was there. So n minus 1 into d is here. No problem. But now friends, just focus on this term. A plus n minus 1 into d. What is this a plus n minus 1 into d? This is Tn, correct? So we can write Sn is equal to n by 2 into the bracket. This a will remain as it is plus a plus n minus 1 into d. This is nothing but nth term Tn. Okay, no problem. And the same formula we can write in another language, that is nothing but Sn is equal to n by 2 into the bracket a. A means what? It is the first term. It is the first term. So T1 plus this is Tn. That means last term. Okay, no problem. So this is the one more formula for finding out sum of first n terms in a given arithmetic progression. Sn is equal to n by 2 into the bracket first term plus last term. First term plus last term. T1 plus Tn. Okay, no problem. So this is one more formula. You can write it down in your notebook. Okay. Now from the same formula or this one, we will derive few more formulas for finding out the sum of first n natural numbers, sum of first n odd natural numbers, sum of first n even natural numbers. Okay, so these are the three categories which we are going to derive some formulas for that. Directly we can find out the sum of first n natural numbers, sum of first even natural numbers, sum of first n odd natural numbers. Okay, fine. So first we'll discuss only sum of first n natural numbers. Sum of first n natural numbers. So see here, sum of first n natural numbers. Sum of first n natural numbers. Sum of first n natural numbers. Okay, no problem. Now the set of natural numbers, as we know that n is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on up to infinity is there. This is the set of natural numbers. Okay, no problem. Now see, this is the set of natural numbers and we are going to find out sum of first n natural numbers. Now tell me, what is the formula for finding out the sum of first n natural numbers? This is the Sn is equal to n by 2 into the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d is there. Okay, no problem. Now here n is unknown quantity. We don't know how many terms are there in that given arithmetic progression. But this a and d you can find it out with the help of given information. Now here first term t1 is equal to 1 is that. Therefore we can write a is equal to 1 because a is the first term only. A is the first term, correct? And this is d. How much is the common difference? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and so on. So 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Therefore we can write d is equal to again 1. So a is equal to 1 and d is equal to 1 is that. No problem. Now see. Now we will use our formula for finding out sum of first n natural numbers. As we know that sum of first n terms, sum of n terms only, which are in arithmetic progression, but they are in arithmetic progression. So Sn is equal to, formula we know that n by 2 into the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, no problem. Fine. Therefore, we can mention it as Sn is equal to n by 2 will remain as it is into the bracket 2a. That means 2 into, how much is your a? It's a 1 only, plus n is the unknown quantity. How many terms are there in the given arithmetic progression? We don't know. That's why we are continuing n as it is. So n minus 1 into d is 1 only. Okay. Therefore we can write Sn is equal to n by 2 into the bracket 2 ones are 2 plus n minus 1 into 1s. So n minus 1s are n minus 1 into 1, that is nothing but n minus 1 only. So 2 plus n minus 1 is 2 minus 1 is 1 only. Therefore Sn is equal to, we can write n by 2 into the bracket 2 plus n minus 1, that is nothing but n plus 1 only, because 2 minus 1 is 1 and n as it is, so n plus 1. So the same formula will write as n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So the sum of first n natural numbers, sum of first n natural numbers is given by the formula n into n plus 1 divided by 2. n into n plus 1 divided by 2. This is the formula for finding out sum of first n natural numbers. Sum of first n natural numbers. Okay. And this is the formula for what? Sum of first n terms which are in arithmetic progression. We don't know what type of progression is that. But just to find out sum of all first n terms which are in arithmetic progression, we will use this formula. And for the terms, for the progression which is like this, that is nothing but what? Natural number. So the sum of first n natural numbers is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, no problem. So see here. If I take 5 natural numbers, 5 natural numbers, okay, no problem. So we will write here Sn is equal to S5. We'll write first formula. Sn is equal to n by 2, means n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, no problem. n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay. Therefore, now n, we will replace it by 5 because 5 natural numbers are there. So S5 is equal to 5 into 5 plus 1 divided by 2, which is equal to 5 into 6 divided by 2. 2 3s are 6 and it is equal to 15. So the sum of first of 5 natural numbers is 15. Sum of first of 5 natural numbers. You can do it just orally. 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 3 12, plus 2 14, plus 1 15. Okay, fine, no problem. So 1 to 5, if we add all the natural numbers, then we'll get sum as 15. Fine, no problem. So this is the direct formula for finding out sum of first n natural numbers. They can give you 100, 200, 300, 500, 1000 terms. No problem. If they have given us suppose 1000 terms, find the sum of first 1000 terms. 1000 natural numbers. 1000 natural numbers. So we'll do here only yes 1000 is equal to, this is 1000 into 1000 plus 1 means 1001 divided by 2 again is here. So you will do here 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10 and double 0. Okay. So 5 ones are 5, double 0 double 0, 5 ones are 5 and these 2 zeros are here. So this will be your sum of first 1000 natural numbers. Sum of first 1000 natural numbers. So formula is what? N into n plus 1 divided by 2. Sum of first n natural numbers. So the first case is that sum of first n natural numbers. Sum of first n natural numbers. And what is the formula? Formula is like this. Yes, n is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, so this will be your formula. Sum of first n natural numbers. Now, friends, let us discuss the second category. That is nothing but sum of first n. Sum of first n odd natural numbers. Sum of first n odd natural numbers. Now, if you write this odd natural number progression, then what will be your arithmetic progression? Just write the sequence of all odd natural numbers. Odd natural numbers. So, from which number will it start? It will start from 1 only. 1 is the first odd natural number. So, let us suppose that set is A, and this will be given as like this. A is the set of all n odd natural numbers. So 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. N terms are there. No problem. So this is the set A, and A defines that the numbers inside this curly bracket are odd natural numbers. All odd natural numbers. So first odd natural number is 1. Okay, no problem. Now again we will focus on the same Sn is equal to n by 2 into the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This one term, this one formula. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. No problem. Fine. Now see here, n is the natural, n is your general term. How many terms are there we don't know. That's why n will continue as it is. We are just interested in this a and d. A and d. So how much is a here? Here a is equal to the first term t1 is equal to 1. Okay, no problem. And d is equal to, how much is d? D is the difference between two consecutive numbers. D is the difference between two consecutive numbers. So 3 minus 1 is 2, 5 minus 3 is 2, 7 minus 5 is 2. So D is 2. Okay, no problem. So A is equal to 1 and D is equal to 2. Now, as we know that Sn is equal to n by 2 into the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Our regular formula is this. Okay, fine. Now with the help of this regular formula only, we will proceed further. This is the n is the natural term, so we are not going to replace it by any other number or any other term. It will remain as it is. General formula. We will just substitute the value of a and d. A is equal to 1 and d is equal to 2. So we will substitute here. It is equal to n by 2 into the bracket 2 into a is 1 plus n minus 1 as it is into d is 2. Okay, fine, no problem. So the same we can write it as n by 2 into the bracket 2 ones are 2 plus n minus 1 into 2. Just to multiply this n minus 1 by this 2. So we'll get here 2 into n, 2n. Okay, 2 into minus 1, it's minus 2. No problem. So we multiplied by this 2 to n also, and this 1 also. So 2 n's are 2n and 2 minus 1's are minus 2. So this plus 2 and minus 2 gets cancelled to each other, and we are left with only n by 2 into this 2n. So it is equal to n by 2 into 2n. This 2 again gets cancelled. So n into n is n square. Finish. So this is the formula for finding out the sum of first n odd natural numbers. Sum of first n odd natural numbers. Sum of first n odd natural numbers. Now consider, if you have taken 5 odd natural numbers, first 5 odd natural numbers. So how much is the sum of first 5 odd natural numbers? First odd natural number is 1, second is 3, third 5, fourth is 7, and fifth is 9. Okay, so this is 9 plus 1 10, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 10 20 plus 5 25. Okay, fine, no problem. We'll do with the help of this formula. 5 odd natural numbers are there, 5 odd natural numbers. So we'll do just 5 square. 5 square is 25. Finish. Okay, so it's very easy. It's very easy. Fine. Now see, this is the formula for sum of first n odd natural numbers. Sum of first n odd natural numbers. Now we'll do the sum of first n even natural numbers. Okay, fine, no problem. So second, sum of first n odd natural numbers. Okay, sum of first n odd natural numbers, and it is given as Sn is equal to n square only. First n odd natural number sum is n square. Fine. And now sum of first n even natural numbers. Sum of first n even natural numbers. That is the third formula which we are going to discuss here. Sum of first n even natural numbers. Okay, no problem. Now see, sum of first n even natural numbers. Let this A is the set of all even natural numbers. All even natural numbers. So what is the first even natural number? First even natural number is what? It is 2. Second is 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. Fine. No problem. So n terms will be there. Now see, as usual, we'll do the same procedure which we did in the previous one. In this case. First here A is equal to the first term, which is equal to 2. Okay, and D is equal to, how much is the difference between consecutive even natural numbers? That is 2 only. 4 minus 2 is 2, 6 minus 4 is 2, 8 minus 6 is 2, 10 minus 8 is 2, so D is 2. Fine, no problem. Now use this formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so this is equal to n by 2 will be as it is, because n is the general term. 2a, that means 2 into a. How much is your a? It is 2 only, plus n minus 1 will be as it is, into d. D is 2. Okay, fine. So it is equal to n by 2 into the bracket, these 2 2's are 4, plus n minus 1 into 2, that means 2n minus 2. Okay, no problem. Or you can do here, 2 is here, 2 is here. You can take 2 common from these two terms. that is also acceptable, no problem. So 4 minus 2 is 2, so it is equal to n by 2 into the bracket 2 plus 2n. Okay, no problem. Same thing can be written in this form, n by 2 into 2 will take out common, 2 into n plus 1, so 2 gets cancelled and we have left with only n into n plus 1. This is Sn, n into n plus 1. Okay, fine, no problem. So this is the formula for sum of first n even natural numbers. Sum of first n even natural numbers, n into n plus 1.